Skate shoes in 2026 are all about durability, comfort, and style. Whether you're hitting the streets, the park, or just rocking them as everyday kicks, these shoes are designed to handle all the impacts, slides, and flips you throw at them. Let's check out the top skate shoes that are dominating the scene this year. The Vans Old Skool is an iconic skate shoe that's been around for decades and still performs like a champ in 2026. Featuring the classic side stripe and a durable canvas and suede upper, the Old Skool gives you that vintage look while delivering performance on your board. The rubber waffle outsole provides excellent grip, perfect for street skating or park sessions. The padded collar offers support and comfort, making these shoes ideal for long skating sessions. Plus, they look great both on and off the board. If you're after a classic, reliable skate shoe, the Vans Old Skool is a must-have. Check out the links below for more details and pricing. The Vans Old Skool Pro takes the classic Old Skool to the next level with added durability and enhanced comfort. With reinforced areas, a thicker sole, and a more cushioned footbed, these shoes are built to withstand the toughest skate sessions. They're designed with performance in mind, offering greater impact, resistance, and board feel. Whether you're skating bowls, ramps, or doing technical street tricks, the Old Skool Pro provides excellent grip and protection. They're just as stylish as the original, but with the extra durability skaters need. Check out the links below for more details and to grab a pair. The Adidas Busenitz is a skate shoe that blends performance with style. Designed in collaboration with pro skater Adidas Busenitz, these shoes are built for speed, agility, and comfort. The low-profile design gives you a great board feel, while the suede upper is durable and supportive. The rubber outsole provides solid grip, and the reinforced toe cap adds extra durability for those tough slides and grinds. Whether you're into street skating or vert, the Busenitz has you covered. These shoes are all about performance with a sleek look, making them perfect for skaters who want a functional yet stylish option. Check the description below for more details. The Nike SB Force 58 is a skate shoe that delivers both comfort and tech-packed features. The design is modern and sleek, but what really sets the Force 58 apart is the combination of a durable suede upper with a lightweight, flexible sole. The shoe offers great grip and board control thanks to its vulcanized rubber outsole. The design is also padded in all the right places, ensuring your feet stay comfortable even during extended sessions. Whether you're cruising around or hitting some hard tricks, the Nike SB Force 58 gives you the flexibility and support you need. If you want something versatile, stylish, and high-performing, check out the links below for more details. The Vans Authentic is the shoe that started it all, simple, stylish, and functional. This shoe has stood the test of time and remains a favorite in the skate community. The low-profile design gives you excellent board feel, while the canvas upper and rubber waffle outsole provide flexibility, durability, and grip. It's a lightweight shoe, which makes it perfect for skating, and the minimalist look ensures they work just as well off the board. If you're looking for a versatile skate shoe that doesn't compromise on comfort or style, the Vans Authentic is a no-brainer. Check out the description for more details and to grab a pair. From the classic Vans to the performance-focused Busenitz and Nike SB Force 58, these are the best skate shoes of 2026. Whether you're skating all day or just rocking them as your go-to shoes, these options have got you covered for both comfort and style. Check the links in the description below for more details and grab a pair for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.